Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I will show how to block websites inside Google Chrome on PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's jump straight into it. Right guys, go and open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop, and then from here you want to click on the three dots top right hand corner of your page, and then where it says extensions, open that up and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. This will bring up the Chrome Web Store main page, and from here where it says search extensions and themes, simply type in block websites and then click on the first result here, block sites, block websites and stay focused. It's verified and it's blocksite.co, so click into that, and now you want to add this to Chrome, add extension. Give it a few moments to add this extension to Google Chrome, and then once it's installed, click on the extensions, click on the block site, and then get the most from block site, click on I accept. Alright, I'll demonstrate how to use this. So I'll go to Google and then I'll open up extensions, block site again, and then I'll click on block this site, google.com, site added to your block list. And if I refresh the page, it will say nice try, you put google.com in your block site list. It's probably there for a reason. So yeah, that's how to do it guys, how to block websites inside Google Chrome. One other thing to mention, if you go back to block sites here, click on edit block list, click on I accept, you can click on skip for limited plan, so you can use this for free. Skip, click on got it. Quickly get out of all this stuff here, dismiss. You can add sites manually to the list by clicking this green add to block list as well, but take note here, it says one site left to add to your block list. Click here to upgrade and enjoy an unlimited block list. So if you need to add more than 3 sites, you got to upgrade. Yeah, so you can upgrade to unlimited for $3.99 a month, or you can try free for 3 days. Alright, that's it for this video guys, how to block websites inside Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.